Well, here we are at the Planet Hawaii sale. Just look at all them bananas. And we even got figs. Boy, oh boy. And grafted Chico Sapote. What is that? That's Elano grafted Sapodilla. Very cool. And I guess all the black Sapote are seedling grown, huh? Yellow lily koi. Oh, hey, this is a good loquat. You ever eaten this one?
I don't know.
It's about the most popular one in California with the old set anyway. It's a very tasty loquat, very apricot-like. Seedling soursops, Rollinias, Kari, starfruit, Kajan. Oh, look at this. I'll be darned. I grow these. It's probably the Viamia White, I guess. It looks just like the one I got.
With a slight scent to it.
Yeah, there is some. Beetle nuts. Yep. You want to ruin your teeth? Well, son. Now these are all mame, I guess, but they're roped off. Okay, Murta. I don't know any of these varieties on the Javoticaba. I wonder what that's all about. Well, I guess I don't need to worry about buying citrus trees today. They're wiped out! And all they got are dwarfs. I wanted standards, and they don't have any Tangors, or, they do have one Temple. On a standard rootstock, too. One. That sure is kind of a twerp. Meh. We got blueberries, too, huh? Looks like emerald and jewel. Clove trees, cacao trees. Cinnamon. Purple passion fruits.
And they're hard to come by.
Jamaican lily kois.
Hard to come by, huh?
I believe, yeah. Yeah. Jamaican lily koi. I don't know if those are hard to come by, but
I don't think so either.
I'll tell you what they are, though. They're hard for me to get into fruit. This plant grows really well for me.
Yeah,
but
I think I had one flower off of mine last year.
yeah, that's the way it is. Ours will, if I throw phosphates on it, it will kind of bloom, a little bit. And if Ellen hand pollinates it, then we get a few fruit.
But hand pollinating? The bees aren't all over that?
No, they aren't. And I'm told, actually, that one of the best pollinators on that particular blossom is the carpenter bee. These are the bigger buckets. What do we got? They're like 15s, huh? And 7s and stuff here. So, stuff in big pots. Lychee B3. I don't know anything about B3 lychee. Doesn't ring a bell. Calamansi. Golden Nugget, Washington, Fairchild, Dwarf Clementine, Dwarf Tahitian. I wonder if they got any other lime varieties other than Tahitian. Lane Lake, Caracara. So they got a few mangoes left. Well, we got the Fairchild mango. We got Keat, Brooks Late, Hayden syndrome, Excel, Pope.
Thank you for working.
Yep, that's what that is.
I thought maybe Evan come up and see it.
Eureka, Lemon, Fremont, Pink Eureka. Now this has got me. What is Velo? Valencia orange. Them and their abbreviations. I thought it looked like a Valencia. Alright, so I give up. So what's final? Oh, 8. Oh no, 8.
So
8.
you need to
Is it an F-I-N-O?
yeah.
Well, that was probably orange, right?
Yeah, yeah.
F-I-N, no idea.
Who knows? Wano. Washington orange. Washington navel orange. Okay, I got it. Well, you know, now they're using a different species on that though, too. So
But they're still calling it Chromichama.
Oh, that's mixed up there. That's a little messed up. I don't know about that.
Good Brazilian cherry, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Our Brazilian plum, it's a common name, but neither one of them is really correct. It's not a plum or a cherry.
Reno, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, Eugenia.
So, but that's what common names do, you know. You make something an apple when it's really not. Or a sapote the same way. And actually that one might have been, I don't know if it does, if it's the one that's...
Well, there we have everybody checking out over there. This thing happens twice a year, and you get your chance to pick up all manner of different tropical fruit trees. I mean, just look at all this stuff. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this would be the largest purveyor of grafted and ungrafted tropical fruit trees on the east side of Hawaii. Planet Hawaii. Aloha.